This might just be the most satisfying purchase you will make this entire month. This let completely honest finding perfect is undoubtedly hands down incredible. Wait, do not swipe away just yet. The engineering behind this unit is brilliant, ensuring that the engineering behind it is brilliant. It is incredibly user-friendly and built out of highly durable components. The standout factor is definitely how it handles heavy usage without any issues. It delivers top-tier results effortlessly. If you want something that actually works as advertised, is it. Don't wait until it's backordered everywhere before it sells out everywhere. This might just be the most satisfying purchase you will make this entire month. This let completely honest finding perfect is undoubtedly hands down incredible. Wait, do not swipe away just